Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking study that's redefining how AI detects lung cancer and why some models are better at explaining their decisions than others. This research isn't just about accuracy, it's about building trust between doctors and machines. Let's break it down. Lung cancer remains one of the deadliest cancers worldwide, but early detection dramatically improves survival rates. The challenge: radiologists are stretched thin, and CT scans require meticulous analysis. Enter AI. Deep learning models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, have shown incredible potential in analyzing medical images. But here's the problem: these models often act as black boxes. They make predictions, but without transparency, doctors can't fully trust them. This study tackles that gap by introducing an explainable AI system that doesn't just diagnose, but shows its work. The team tested 4 models on 1,197 CT scans, each labeled as normal, benign, or malignant. To ensure fairness, they used data augmentation, rotating, flipping images, and cost-sensitive learning to prevent the AI from ignoring rare malignant cases. The models included a custom CNN plus 3 pre-trained networks: DenseNet121, ResNet152, and VGG19. Think of them as different chefs, using distinct recipes to solve the same problem. ResNet152 stood out for speed, achieving 97.3% accuracy, but accuracy alone isn't the whole story. The study focused on metrics like precision, avoiding false positives, recall, catching true positives, and the F1 score, which balances both. Here, DenseNet121 shown. It achieved the best overall balance, making it a strong candidate for real-world use. But the real innovation: the use of SHAP, Shapley Additive Explanations, a tool that generates heatmaps highlighting which parts of a CT scan the AI focuses on. For malignant tumors, the AI zeroed in on irregular textures and spiculated margins, features radiologists recognize as red flags. For benign nodules, it flagged smooth, well-defined shapes. And for normal scans, it identified subtle vessel patterns. These heat maps didn't just align with expert expectations, they provided a window into the AI's decision-making process. Of course, no study is perfect. The dataset was limited to a single hospital, which could affect generalizability. Plus, the models analyzed 2D slices rather than full 3D volumes, a constraint that could miss critical spatial context. The team also notes that SHAP reveals correlations, not causation. It's like a map showing where a fire started, not why it spread. Despite these limitations, the results are promising. DenseNet121's combination of accuracy, speed, and explainability makes it a standout. And the broader takeaway: explainability isn't a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. For AI to transform healthcare, it must earn the trust of clinicians, especially in underserved areas where radiologists are scarce. Looking ahead, the researchers plan to test on larger, more diverse datasets, explore 3D imaging, and compare explanation tools to see which resonate most with doctors. The future of AI in medicine isn't just about smarter algorithms. It's about building systems that doctors can rely on, understand, and ultimately trust. So what's next for AI in healthcare? Stay tuned, this is just the beginning. If you found this intriguing, hit subscribe for more deep dives into AI's role in medicine. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.